Today we're gonna play this clicky keyboard game. Ooh, satisfying. Yeah, so so I got this short and mostly people, these nostalgic shorts. I don't really like them, even though I did make them. I'm just doing it because I need subscribers. So I can get pocket money and then use it, so I don't need to make my mum and dad about it. Okay, this is really satisfying. I like it. Oh, this is hard. This is hard bit. This is hardest. Evie. This is. Oh. Hell no. Oh, they don't do permanent damage, just good. Oh, but they do kind of do it though. A normal chunk. I like this obby, I'm so good. Dude, it got an AI picture, but actually it's really good. I guess the guy just can't make pictures. What is this? Easy Obby 2.0. Ah! Oh, wow. Now these are my bridge. But my bridge broke. Big jump. One block. Is he emo? Is he emo? Yeah. I like keyboards now. Oh! No! This might be the end of my time. Yes! Again. Yes! Haha. Acorn. I'm a pro at obbies. I'm a pro at obbies. What is that? Robux. It's free to donate me Robux. Because I actually don't want to waste. Yeah, this is dirty. I'm gonna try and complete the obby. Cause out of the sky. Please. I don't know. I don't know why this thing looks really good for Trons, I'm gonna call them rants. So I realized they're called rants, and that was really close. Okay, 2 more rounds, I'm actually really good at an obby. I know that I'll die. There's a chance. R.I.P. 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 Oh, not R.I.P. Oh, I am taking a break. Okay, so, my mom gave me this banana and I don't want to eat the banana. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I actually really don't want it. Like I'm going to eat it. No, just go on the couch. So, if you want me to do face reveal, hell no. I'm a kid. And no kids. Yeah. Oh. Okay, I'm really good. Yes. If this game got okay, this game's actually the most best game in the world now. There's no way I just done that. There is no